Hey, this is James over at Realty Candy. My I got my headphones in because my grandsons are in the next room over here watching a movie, and it's pretty loud. I'm supposed to be over there watching a movie with them, but I'm super excited about a new software that we've made, which is Save Search mailouts inside of HighLevel, and I want to share this with you. So let me show you real quick here. If you go to idxaddons.com. Lead connector property updates for GHL leads. You can replace the IDX broker emails with these white label property updates. So you can set this up inside of HighLevel, and it connects directly to your folks in HighLevel. So this is what we're looking for. First, let me see if I can show you a couple things. So basically, we need to get your initial settings set up. So we create some fields here. Let's see, I think this is one of my demo accounts, so we'll see if it does. Hooked up, okay, so I'm already hooked up to HighLevel here, so it's pretty easy. Then I need to add this snapshot. So I can copy that, add the snapshot. Then I can also disable the IDX broker emails. So let me show you what that looks like. Go to this page, let's click that. And it's going to open me right up into my IDX broker information. Property update frequency, I want to change that to never. Okay. And then save the changes. Well, scroll down here and then hit save changes. Okay, that's done. Property update frequencies. Okay, so how often do I want my property updates to go out to my clients? So say I want them to go once a week or every day. I can click whichever one of those. And then I can select a theme that I want to use for my email. So I just saw somebody down in the Tampa area. One of our clients is using this, and they're using this one. It turned out really good. I can sync all my leads here, and then which save search they're going to be using. So I have several save searches. I can share which one they're going to be using, and then it's going to send it out. So if I go to the tutorial here, actually shows me how to set up all the information. This is how to load the snapshot. And there's the workflow that we need, is this lead emails mail out. And the template that you're going to need to change is this one. Then you can click on the workflow and see the details. You can also edit the lead email template, save search with the scheduled mail out, and send everything out. And it's just going to be awesome. So we're super excited about this new app. We think it's going to give some great opportunities to be able to send your emails out from your HighLevel account. All right, so once we have that all set up, then you just come over here to emails, templates, and you're going to have some different templates in yours. In ours here, we have it set up under this luxury. Here's the save searches, scheduled mail out. And I can open up this template, and this is going to show me basically what it looks like. So daily report, and I have this contact information, and here's the piece in it, so you can see what it looks like. And now I just activate this and start sending this out to my clients, and they're going to get these emails. I can change any of this information in here I want, and we're super excited about this. This lets your clients get some great mail outs.